Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Have you ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of the Buffalo Picker? Defend the Hustle Friday nights. Search for it. Have you ever heard of Fundmentalz of the Side Hustle with my boy Big D and Regina Renee on Wednesdays? Have you ever heard of my boy Casey out of North Carolina? I mean, I don't know if he's what Carolina he's out of, but he's the Carolina Hustler. He done changed his name to the Carolina Thrifter Picker or something like that. Anyway, Casey, look him up. Golf club expert. Have you ever heard of blood, sweat, and sale? You're bloody, you're sweating, and you're selling. What the hell? Now, have you ever heard of Lonnie from Garage, Flip Garage, the shed? You done hired his wife. I don't know what's going on. Whatever. Well, it's Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want y'all to know, woo, that we pickin' the hood too. Yeah. Hey, y'all. I'm just making another video about what I sold the past couple of days. We finna ride along with me to go back to St. Louis. I'm in a city called Centralia, Missouri. It's about 120 miles away from St. Louis. I just made a delivery. So y'all gonna ride with me until I get finished with this, with what I sold, okay? I wish I could take y'all a little longer, you know what I'm saying? But hey, just a couple of minutes, work with me. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna turn y'all around so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, y'all, the first item up, I sold another Pyrex. This is a Venice Pyrex clear pan, number 233. It's a casserole disc, 9x13, bakeware. I sold that for $35. It's got a little brown basket to go with it, so you can sit it in the basket to display it on the counter. Okay, next up, I sold a Matchbox MBX cab and dry bulk hauler. The box was torn, so I sold this for $29, but I could have sold it for more because the top of the box was torn off. So I put it on there for $29. Somebody bought it. It was still brand new. Next up, I sold a youth baseball bat, Ally T-ball bat. I paid $3 to $4 for my bats, and I try to find bats. Like the. Sorry, let me turn this around. I try to find composite bats because they worth a little more. These aluminum bats are not worth that much anymore. They used to be worth a lot. They're not worth that much anymore. Next up, I don't know what's wrong with this camera. Y'all getting dizzy. Next up, I sold a pair of Margaritaville Sunglasses. They look like aviator sunglasses. I sold a pair of those. I sold those for $11. Y'all don't know what the hell. Y'all don't know I pay $1 for my sunglasses and $1 for my sunglass cases. So I got thousands of sunglasses, y'all. So when y'all go out, they got these baskets. Sometimes they be at the counter, but most of the time, like in Goodwill, they just throw them on the shelves. I don't know why. But look at the name on these glasses. Don't do like I did on these sunglasses and reading glasses. I just used to buy them. And the ones that had the strange names on them and stuff that I didn't recognize, I would buy them. But I had good luck with them. I done sold sunglasses for $150. I done sold regular vintage glasses for over $200. So I've been doing good with them. But these sold for $11 plus shipping, plus $3 shipping. Next up, I sold a pair of Oscar De La Renta sunglasses. for $16.60. I had them on there for $28. Somebody sent me an offer, I want to say for $14.68, and I sent them an offer for $16.60, and they took it. Okay, plus $3 shipping. Same thing with these glasses. I paid $1 for them. Same thing. Next up, I sold Apollo. I had this game for a long time, this computer game. I bought 3 of them for $1 a piece, brand new in the box. Somebody finally bought one. Sorry, y'all. Somebody finally bought one. $12. I had them on up to $16. The other day, I marked them down to $12 and somebody bought one. So I'm proud of that. Like they say, sometimes you change the price. It had a whole lot of views. It had probably about 400 views. So somebody wanted it. So anyway, they say when you mark stuff down, people buy it. So and that's what happened to me. Sorry, y'all. Next up, what the hell? Hold on a minute, y'all. Next up, I sold some Weeble Wobbles. It's I put a lot together, Weeble Wobbles. It's 9 of them. I sold those for $45, $4 shipping. When I find a Weeble Wobble, I save them unless it's one of them to sell for like $20 by itself. I save them till I get a lot of them, then I lot them up. I lot them up to sell them. That's what I do. So these 9 sold for $45.90. And I'm very proud of that. Because sometimes you gotta be patient. Next up, I sold 4 Walt Disney Funny Factory with Mickey. Y'all look for the Funny Factories and Clubhouse Mickey Mouse. Y'all look for those DVDs. They sell. I sold another set, the whole complete set, for $99. It has 6 DVDs in it. $99 for 6 DVDs. So y'all watch out for the Walt Disney Fun Factory. Walt Disney Fun Factory DVDs. They sell. Now with these, when I buy one and I buy another one, I wait till I get like 4 of them together, 4, 5, 6 together, then I lock these up. So people like to buy a whole lot of them at once. If you look at them individually, they ain't selling. Next up, I sold a Delavan roller. It's a pump repair kit for the farm pumps that pump the irrigation pumps on farms. You know, y'all know I go to this farm store and I get the clearance out of this farm store. You know, I paid $2 for this thing, and I still got about 5 more. I done sold about 10 of them. But this sold for $30. I paid $2 for it. This sold for $30 plus $5 shipping. Next up, I just bought this the other day. Beachbody Workout P90X Extreme Home Fitness DVD set. It's a DVD set. I think it's got 12 DVDs in it. It wasn't selling for that much, but all I paid was $1 for it, and it sold for $12.90. So I pay $1 for something and gain. When they get finished taking all the fees out, it'll probably be about $9, but I don't care. I paid $1 for it. So, but anyway, y'all, that's the last item, you know, that I sold. This is the last 2 days. I hope sales start picking up, because I used to sell 10 items a day, something like that. It was more than what I'm making now, but I don't, you know, really, to tell the truth, that's money I didn't have. I really don't have to work for it. All I'm doing is listing it. I'm going to get it and list it. I don't have to pay no overhead. I don't have no storage unit. I I got enough room in my house to keep everything I got. So I'm getting ready to. I got a big 6-car garage in the back of my house. That I got my cars in there and storage in there. So I'm getting ready to put my shop in there, and I might just start doing everything out there in my big garage out in the back, and get all my stuff out of the house so my wife can have a little room. So anyway, y'all, I'm glad y'all riding along with me. You know, I tried to give you a little different scenery. This is a little different than the other day. I was on the 2-lane. This is a 1-lane, and this is Mexico, Missouri, right here. So anyway, y'all wear y'all masks, be safe. If y'all like this content, give me a thumbs up, smash the like button, and like I said the other day, you know, I'm trying to get to 500 subs. You know, I hope you guys can help me out. Give your friends and stuff my eBay page. I mean, not my eBay page. Give your friends and stuff my YouTube page. You know, Pickin in the Hood too. You know, give them that so they can subscribe, so I get them 500 subs. I've been trying to reach it for a while. I was up to 482. Now I'm back down to 480. I don't know what happened. People took their subs away. I don't know. Maybe they didn't like my content. I don't know, but that's their choice. Anyway, y'all wear y'all masks, be safe, stay away from that COVID and COVID-19, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Okay, y'all. We turn y'all back around so I can get what I'm saying off. Okay, y'all. You know, it's time for me to go. You know, because I'm finished and I don't want to have no accident out here. So anyway, y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis. I've been picking. Well, I've been listening on eBay since 2002. I've been picking forever. You know what I'm saying? But all I want to tell you guys is give me a thumbs up and try to get me to that 500 subs. You know. Last thing I want to say is woo! We picking the hood.